So let's go ahead and get started with the first step, and that's signing up for Hostinger. To get an additional discount on any Hostinger plan, make sure to sign up using the link right here at the bottom of the screen, or just scroll down to the video description and click on the first link that you find down there. By using that link, you should end up on this page right here where the discount is already applied. From here, click on the purple Start Now button. And as you can see, the coupon code has already been applied. Then you'll see 3 different plan options. I recommend going with the business plan for the best possible performance. But if you're on a budget, the premium plan also works, and you can always upgrade later on if you need to. For this video, I'll be choosing the business plan. So I'll click on Choose Plan. And next, you'll choose your hosting plan period. Up here, you can choose between 48 months, 24 months, 12 months, or 1 month. I recommend going with 48 months for the best long-term savings. However, if you're on a tighter budget, you can choose one of the shorter options. At a minimum, I suggest going with the 12-month period because that will include a free domain. For this video, I'll be going with the 48 months. Then I'll go down and make sure that the 10% off coupon is applied. And then I'll scroll down and click on Continue. And on this screen here, you'll need to register for a Hostinger account. Start by entering your email address here, and then typing in a password. Once you're ready, click on Register. From here, go ahead and enter your billing address and payment information. And now that I have all of my information filled out, I'll click on Submit Payment. And there we go. Our Hostinger account is now ready to go, and we can get started. And now before we get started building our website, we have to answer a few questions. We'll start with this first one here. You can choose if you're creating the website for someone else or yourself or your business. I'll go with this option here. Then go to the bottom right and click on Next. Here we'll be creating a new website, so I'll click on Create a Website and hit Next again. And then we'll choose the Hostinger Website Builder. Select this here and click Next again. And here you're able to enter your domain name. And if you chose a 12-month plan or higher, then you'll have access to a free domain, as you can see here at the top. For this video, I'll just be using a temporary domain, so I'll go to the bottom right and click on Use Temporary Domain. With this option, I'll be able to connect my custom domain later on. And here you're able to choose if you want to let the Hostinger AI create a website for you. And at the bottom, you also have access to pre-made templates or a link in bio website. For this video, I'll be going with the Hostinger AI. Let's start by entering our brand name. I'll be going with Oak and Ember Coffee. And next, you'll need to enter your description. I'll go ahead and paste mine in here. Scroll up to the top. Let me break down my description here so that way you know exactly what you should write for your website. It's best to be as descriptive as possible. So I started by adding a short business overview. I said that I own a neighborhood coffee shop called Oak and Ember Coffee. I said that we serve coffee, drinks, and pastries. I then added 3 things about my business that make us unique. Then scrolling down here, I then wrote out exactly what I want my website to do and how it should look. I said that the website should showcase our menu, display our hours and location, and make it easy to place an order for pickup. I said that I want a warm, modern design with large product photos, clean sections, and clear call to action buttons like View Menu and Order Now. I also wrote out the color palette and fonts that I want to use as well. This is just an example for a coffee shop, but the same approach works no matter what kind of business you're creating a website for. Think about what makes your brand unique, what goals you want your website to accomplish, and the kind of design style that represents you best. The clearer you are here, the closer the AI will get to generating a first draft that you can actually use. So once you've written out your description, go down here and click on Create a Website. Once you do that, this can take a few minutes to generate your website. So I'll fast forward and meet you at the next step. And there we go. The Hostinger AI has now created a website for us. And everything you're looking at here is just placeholder text, images, and video. But if you're not happy with the website that was generated for you, you can easily go to the top left and click on the Create Again button to regenerate your website. And you can repeat that until you're satisfied.